Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, guys. Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, motherhood, just and everything in between. So if that is the kind of content you're looking for, self-development content, then subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So guys, you remember in one of my previous videos, I mentioned that I had started my website, another website, last year in July, to be precise, 15th July of 2022. So now this is we are almost in July, so that is almost a year, just 1 month to 1 year since I started the website. And today I am here to share my progress. I'm here to share my first earnings from the website. It is not much, but I just want to be honest with you and share the process with you like I had promised. I hope you can do the same. If you have a website, please comment down below. Let me know how old is your blog and how you are monetizing it, whether it is through ads, through affiliate marketing, through selling your own products. Just let us share and learn from each other. Okay, so comment down below and let us know how you are monetizing yours, how much you're making, if you don't mind sharing. Yeah, so now, so like I said, I started in June 15th, July 2022, and I monetized my website on in beginning of April. Yeah, beginning of April, with Izoic. So like Izoic requires you to have 10,000 page views per month for you to be able to monetize your blog. So that is where I started. I didn't want to put AdSense, and then because now AdSense just makes very little money. The RPM is just so little. I didn't want to just populate my website with those ads that wouldn't make, you know, will make insignificant earnings for me. So now that is why I decided to be patient until I reached the 10,000 page views that Izoic wanted. So now I'm going to share my earnings for April. Okay, that is when I started. That is the month that I started monetizing it. So now, guys, I hope you can be encouraged. I know that I haven't made a lot of money, by the way, but I just hope that you can know that you can actually earn money from blogging. I hope if you haven't started your own blog, you can start today after this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, okay? And yeah, let's go. So we are on my Izoic dashboard, guys. As you can see, the last 30 days, this is what it's showing. It shows that I have earned $25 only. We are, today is 29th of May, so that is not good money, but I'm just hoping that it goes well. So now my site was doing really well, by the way, guys, before that was until April 15th there. That is when, I don't know, something happened. I don't know if it was an update or what, but my traffic dropped considerably. So now I'm trying to recover. So I just want to show you what I have earned, because like I said, I joined Izoic in the month of April. So this is for me. So if I want to see for April, I will simply come here and then put I think I have already selected the dates. So let me run the report. So for the month of April, the first month that I joined, I earned $30. Oh guys, please comment down below and give me some hope if this is gonna rise or it's going to remain the same. But I'm just hoping that my website can pick up so that I can just start making good money. But for now, yeah, this is what I made in the month of April. the first month that I registered. You can see I am barely making $1 a day. That's not good. I hope that I can go to even $5, then $10. You know, I see people making like $1,000 in a day, and I'm just wowed. I hope I will be one of those people. So as you can see, these are my earnings for my daily earnings. So this is what brought it to this. What I am earning per 1,000 visits in a given period. So it is $4.71. So this is what I'm earning per 1,000 visits, which I don't think is very bad considering my website is still new. So yeah, that is what I made in the month of April. I don't know what ad network you are on, or if you are monetizing your website with Amazon or any other, any other monetization strategy that you can advise me on. Please comment down below and let me know. So guys, that's it on my first earnings from my blog. I hope you have been encouraged. I hope you can share your journey with me in the comments section down below. Please subscribe to the channel if you want more of such videos, and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.